You've probably heard it 100 times. You need to move more. Exercise regularly. Stay active. It's good for your heart. But no one ever really sits down with you at 60, 70, or 80 and answers the real question. Exactly what should I be doing now so I don't hurt myself, don't overdo it, but still actually protect my heart and lower my blood pressure? Because this stage of life is different. Maybe your energy isn't what it used to be. Maybe your joints complain more loudly. Maybe your balance isn't as trustworthy as it once was. And on top of that, the numbers on the blood pressure cuff are starting to creep up. Your medication list is a little longer. And somewhere deep inside, you've wondered, is there anything else I can do besides just taking more pills? In this video from True Senior Healthness, I want to show you a simple daily routine you can do right from your living room or around your block. No gym, no floor work if you don't want it, no workout designed for 2 5-year-olds. Just gentle, specific movements that help lower high blood pressure over time, protect your heart, improve circulation, and help you feel steadier and more in control of your own body again. We'll walk through 5 heart-friendly exercises you can do nearly every day. You do not have to start with all 5. Even one is a powerful beginning. Before we dive in, I'd love to know where you're watching from. Drop your city and country or state in the comments below. I'm always amazed how far this community reaches. All right, let's start with the exercise. Doctors still call one of the most powerful heart protectors on earth, brisk walking, the most ordinary, powerful heart medicine. Let me be very clear. Walking is not just better than nothing. Done right, it is one of the strongest natural tools you have to protect your heart after 60. I'm not talking about speed walking, hill sprints, or forcing yourself into pain. I'm talking about brisk walking. You can still talk in full sentences. You feel your heart beating a bit faster. You breathe a little heavier, but you're not gasping. That just slightly out of breath zone is where the magic happens. Over time, walking like this can help lower your top blood pressure number, systolic, improve how efficiently your heart pumps blood, relax and de-stiffen your blood vessels, reduce stress hormones that quietly raise blood pressure. And there's a bonus most people overlook, stress relief. As we age, stress doesn't bounce off us the way it used to. It sits in the shoulders, in the jaw, in the chest, and on the heart. A gentle daily walk, especially outdoors, acts like a pressure release valve on your nervous system. You do not need a perfect park, a fitness watch, expensive shoes. You just need comfortable footwear, a safe route, even an indoor hallway works, and a plan to move most days of the week. If 30 minutes feels impossible right now, that's okay. You can break it into 3 10-minute walks, 10 minutes after breakfast, 10 minutes after lunch, 10 minutes after dinner. Every step tells your heart, you still have a job and I'm helping you do it. If walking outside feels unsafe where you live, you can. March gently in place while holding the back of a sturdy chair. Walk slow laps around your home or down a hallway. Use a small, safe indoor circuit bedroom to kitchen to living room and back. The key isn't perfection, it's consistency. Now, brisk walking is the base, but if you stop at walking, you're missing something huge. The muscles that act like a second heart. Let's wake those up next. Chair squats, turning your legs into a second heart. When you hear squats, you might picture heavy barbells in a noisy gym. That's not what we're doing here. Chair squats are simply this: sitting down and standing up, on purpose, with control. It might look basic from the outside, but on the inside, it's doing something powerful. Your thighs and glutes, butt muscles, are some of the largest muscles in your body. When they contract, they help push blood back up from your legs toward your chest, giving your heart a powerful assist. Stronger legs mean better circulation, lower workload on your heart, less pooling of blood in the lower legs, and more confidence when standing, walking, or using the stairs. And there's another benefit people rarely say out loud: the fear of not being able to stand up. Many older adults quietly worry, what if I can't get up from the couch? What if I get stuck on the toilet? That fear makes people move less, and moving less makes them weaker. Chair squats gently break that cycle. How to do a safe chair squat. You'll need a sturdy, non-rolling chair. Sit tall near the front edge of the chair, feet flat on the floor, about hip width apart. Cross your arms over your chest or hold them out in front of you for balance. Press your feet into the floor and stand up slowly, using your legs as much as you comfortably can. At the top, pause, stand tall, take a breath. Then, Bend your hips and knees and lower yourself back down very slowly as if you're trying to sit without making a sound. That slow trip down is where a lot of the strength is built. Start with 3-5 repetitions. Rest. Then do another small set if you feel okay. If you need to use your hands on the chair or your thighs at first, that is absolutely fine. Your goal is progress, not perfection. Over time, aim to reach 8-10 slow chair squats in a row, once or twice a day. Imagine what that could mean 3 months from now. Getting out of chairs more easily, feeling steadier in public bathrooms or restaurants, less fear around, what if I get stuck? Every controlled stand and sit is not just exercise. It's a vote for your independence. Quick pause, let's do this together. If you're getting value from this so far, can I ask a small favor? Please tap, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. On True Senior Healthness, everything I make is designed specifically for people over 50, 60, 70, and beyond. Simple, science-backed routines that respect your joints and your stage of life. Subscribing helps more older adults find videos that are actually made for them, not for 5-year-old gym junkies. And it tells me, yes, this is the kind of content we want more of. If this is helping, also type 9 inches the comments. If it isn't, type 0 and tell me what you'd like me to explain better next time. All right, your legs and heart are waking up. Let's add the upper body. Wall push-ups, helping your heart from the chest up. Don't let the word push-up scare you. We're not getting on the floor. We're not doing anything sudden or extreme. Wall push-ups are simply a gentle way to strengthen your chest, shoulders, and arms, encourage better posture, improve circulation in the upper body. These muscles help your ribcage expand, your shoulders stay more open, and your blood vessels stay more elastic. All of that supports healthier blood pressure. And emotionally, this matters too. Feeling your arms regain strength, being able to push open a heavy door, lift a box, or support yourself on the counter sends a quiet message. My upper body still belongs to me. How to do a wall push-up. Stand facing a wall, about an arm's length away. Place your palms flat on the wall at about chest height, a little wider than your shoulders. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels, no sagging hips, no sticking your bottom out. Slowly bend your elbows and lean your chest toward the wall. Pause when your nose is a few inches from the wall, then gently press back to the starting position. Breathe with the movement. Inhale as you move toward the wall. Exhale as you push away. Start with 5 to 8 gentle repetitions. Rest. Repeat one more time if you feel okay. If this feels too easy, take a small step further from the wall. Your body will be at a greater angle, and the exercise will feel a bit tougher. If it feels too hard, step a little closer. Done a few times a week, these help. Support circulation in the upper body. Keep your shoulders more open instead of rounded. Strengthen your arms for everyday tasks. Again, it's not about looking like an athlete. It's about giving your heart and vessels a reason to stay strong and responsive. Seated leg raises, waking up the quiet pumps in your legs. Next, let's give some focused attention to your legs again this time, especially the front of your thighs and your hip flexors. As we age, many of us sit more, walk less, cross our legs, or sit in the same position for long stretches. This slows circulation in the lower body and can contribute to heaviness or swelling in the legs, that tight feeling when you first stand up, higher pressure in the veins, and more work for the heart. Seated leg raises are simple, gentle, and surprisingly powerful for improving circulation and reminding your body, hey, we still use these muscles. How to do seated leg raises. Sit tall near the front of a sturdy chair. Place both feet flat on the floor. Gently hold the sides of the chair for balance if you'd like. Then, slowly straighten your right leg out in front of you, lifting your foot until your leg is as straight as feels comfortable. Try not to lock the knee. Hold for 3-5 seconds, feeling your thigh muscles working. Slowly lower the foot back to the floor. Repeat with the left leg. Start with 5, 8, leg raise proceda. Rest. Repeat once more if you feel okay. You can do these while watching TV, while talking on the phone, even while waiting for a kettle to boil. If you prefer lying down, you can do a similar version on the bed. Lie on your back with one leg straight and the other slightly bent. Slowly lift the straight leg a few inches. Hold for a few seconds, then lower. No jerking, no swinging, just slow, controlled lifts. Benefits you might notice over time. Less puffy or heavy feeling in the legs. Better endurance when you walk. More strength when stepping up onto curbs or stairs. Every smooth lift is a little nudge to your circulation, and every nudge is a gift to your heart. Calm breathing finish, quietly lowering pressure from the inside. We've talked a lot about movement, but there's one more piece many people forget when they think about heart health and blood pressure: how you breathe. When we're worried, rushing, or constantly on alert, our breathing gets shallow and fast. That keeps the nervous system in a mild stress state, and that stress state nudges blood pressure upward. A short, simple breathing practice can help. Calm your nervous system, lower heart rate, gently encourage your blood pressure down, improve sleep and digestion. You can think of it as the cool down for both your body and your mind. A simple breathing exercise you can do daily. You can do this sitting in a chair or lying comfortably on your bed. Place one hand on your chest and one hand on your belly. Gently close your eyes if that feels safe. Breathe in through your nose for a slow count of 4, feeling your lower hand on your belly rise more than the upper one. Hold the breath very gently for a count of 2, no strain. Then exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 6, as if you're fogging up a window. Start with 5 gentle breaths like this. If counting feels stressful, just focus on longer exhales than inhales, breathing into your belly instead of just your chest. You can pair this with your walk. Sit for 2 minutes before you walk and do your breathing, or do it right after your movement routine as a calming finish. Think of this as exercise for your nervous system, as important for your heart as walking and squats. How to turn this into a daily heart routine. You don't have to do everything every day to see benefits. Here's one simple way to put it all together. Most days of the week, brisk walking, 10-30 minutes total, in one block or several short walks. On 5 days per week, chair squats, 1-2 sets of 5-10 reps, wall push-ups, 1-2 sets of 5-10 reps, seated leg raises, 1-2 sets of 5-8 reps per leg, daily or most days, calm breathing, 5 slow breaths, once or twice a day. Total time? Around 10-25 minutes, depending on what you choose. You can do it all at once or sprinkle movements throughout your day. Example: after breakfast, 5 minutes of walking inside plus leg raises. After lunch, 5 wall push-ups and 5 chair squats. Before bed, 5 slow breaths in your favorite chair. What matters most isn't intensity, it's repeatability. A few safety notes. Very important. Before you change your routine, if you have very high blood pressure, heart disease, dizziness, chest pain, or recent surgery, talk with your doctor or physical therapist about what's safe for you. Move in a pain-free range. Discomfort from effort is okay. Sharp or sudden pain is not. Hold on to a counter, wall, or sturdy chair for balance whenever you need to. There is zero shame in that. If you ever feel chest pain, severe shortness of breath, or sudden dizziness, stop immediately and seek medical advice. Remember, the goal is not to punish your body. The goal is to support it. You're not too old. You're right on time. If your blood pressure has been creeping up, if your legs feel weaker than you'd like, if you've been told just move more and left to figure it out alone, please hear this. You are not too old to make a difference. You are not too far gone. And you are absolutely not asking for too much when you say, I want to protect my heart and stay independent as long as I can. This daily routine is not about perfection or fitness trophies. It's about getting up a little more easily, walking with a little more confidence, breathing a little more calmly, giving your heart just a bit of help every single day. So here's your invitation. Choose one of these exercises to start with today. Do it gently. Do it consistently. Tomorrow, maybe you add another. Next week, you might walk a little longer. Next month, your legs or your numbers might surprise you. If you're ready to give your heart this daily gift, tell me in the comments. I'm starting with today. Fill in the blank: walking, squats, wall push-ups, leg raises, or breathing. Your answer might be exactly what someone else needs to see to begin. If this video helped you, please type 9 inches the comments. If it didn't, type 0 and let me know what you'd like explained differently. I truly use your feedback to shape future videos. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to True Senior Healthness for more simple, joint-friendly routines designed specifically for you. Thank you for spending this time with me. Your heart is still listening. Your body is still capable. Let's keep moving forward. One breath, one step, and one quiet act of strength at a time.